Quick heads up, this video is sponsored by Adobe, but recently I took a trip to London and I wanted to create a fun little montage, and I did that using the sponsor of today's video, which is Premiere Mobile. Now let's get into showing you exactly the features that I used and how you can also create a fun montage using Premiere Mobile. Let's show you. First off, I just pulled in all the images and video that I'd shot on my phone into the timeline inside of Premiere Mobile. The timeline editor inside of Premiere Mobile allows me to just simply drag and move around any of my clips to put them into the order that I want to, or adding them in as a B-roll clip. Next, it's time to add some music for our montage. I chose something groovy, changed the time to between 15 and 30 seconds, and previewed a few clips before actually adding them to the timeline. Next, I turned on beat detection inside of the timeline so I can actually cut and add transitions to the beat of the music instead of actually just trying to guess where the beat of the music is. I was then easily able to add in some transitions, editing the timing of those to be shorter if I wanted to, and then once I have all of the video exactly how I want, all I need to do is export and share that to my social media platform, whether that's YouTube Shorts or Instagram. If you want to try out Premiere Mobile yourself, you can download it from the App Store, and I've also put a link to that down in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and until next time, thank you very much and bye for now.